Myself is Harish Ghanth and I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my graduation on MCA Master of Computer Application in the College of Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya. It's located in Coimbatore. In the period I do internship as an web development, and at the time I get to know about the testing domain. So I asked to my uncle. He suggested me the QSpiders institution, and I joined over here. In QSpiders, I upgraded my skills as a manual testing, automation testing, SQL, Core Java, API testing, and also I upgraded my aptitude skills over here. Manual testing, Pradeep sir gives theoretical knowledge as well as the practical exposures he will give, and Krishna sir, Abhijit sir, Akhil sir, they giving us technical knowledge as well as the theory, as well as the technical exposures they give and given. It more helped me to build my career, and they giving us give some presentations and taking mock interviews. It's all helped me to give confidence level to broke the interview, and I also placed in this company. After the QA engineer intern, I also thankful for the Pradeep sir, Abhijit sir, Krishna sir, and also Akhil sir. Thank you to give me this opportunity, and I also be a part of QSpiders.